do things that probably, that push their boundaries and let them expand who they are and what they do. What gives you the confidence to know that it's going to be okay, that is going to be a successful experience for everyone?
Mainly experience myself, in terms of, I've seen it time and time and time again now, where I see people just step into it. And so I have a great belief in other people, even before I know them, that they're way more capable and able than they realize. And arguably, sometimes I realize. And that for me is part of it, And if you keep those training wheels on, you're restricting, you're already restricting them. You're putting them in a box from day one and saying, you can do whatever you want, but you can just bounce off these sides. If you kind of take the training wheels off, okay, sometimes things do get a little bit edgy, but mainly you see people just become alive, and they have to commit, and they have to try, and they have to experience adversity, and they have to achieve. And I think ultimately they have to do what they really know deep inside they want to do, and they want to see how far they can go. And for me, this is a big part of it, because I believe in the mental reference library, and the more good mental references you can provide to people throughout their lives, the more they can draw on that at a later stage. I do that a lot, and I'm still in contact from a lot of people from years and years ago that have done this, or even previous stuff. And they're always saying that if I didn't do this one thing, I never would have done this, this, and this, and this. And that for me is like massively rewarding, even though I know I'm taking a risk by doing it, but I believe I'm doing it for the right reasons, and sometimes you have to take a risk. So.